So I got this from Amazon. It's a Navy Crest 2.5K front and rear camera. This is the camera. It's the front. Double-sided tape. Electromagnetic tape, so I attach it to the dash. This is to the rear view. Type-C kit for the cigarette lighter.
Start recording.
I don't know if you can see it, but there's the electrostatic film, and I'm going to attach the camera right there. Okay, so camera is installed. So I got it running through there. I use this, hold it, then pull this other stripping, and it's running through there. Through there. And I gotta tuck this in a little more, but it's going through there and up to there to here. Then I got the power wire up to the headliner, to the A-pillar, through here, under here, have it running underneath there, through there, and to the cigarette lighter. Okay, so I got the hardware kit from Amazon. Comes with the connections to the fuses, which are already installed. Test kit, test light. Here's the hardware kit. Instructions. Oh, that's a little pry tool. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and install this. Alright. So I grounded it here. This is accessory. This is the power. So right now the car is on. So when I turn it off, it should go into parking mode.
Stop recording. Start time-lapse video.
So like the previous connection, I ran it down to top to the A pillar, down to there. Ran it behind this panel here and connected it like so.